Okay, so you want to make some money? You need a little extra cash in your purse for Christmas or whatever? I'm going to give you some pointers on how you can make some money today for whatever you need it for. Okay, scrapping. That's how you're making your money. Scrapping. There's so much stuff going into the landfill that you can make money off of. I don't care if it's aluminum, and I'm not talking just soda cans. I'm talking start saving the pull tabs off of your soda cans. See if I get one right here. These little pull tabs, and putting them aside. And when you get enough, take them to your recycle yard. Besides that, car batteries are recyclable. Air conditioners are recyclable. You make more money if you take them apart. Copper, aluminum, cast iron, all this stuff, cast aluminum, it's all scrappable. Cast iron, so it goes by the ton, just like steel. So you need a lot of it. But you see an old house being torn down, go in and take out the old radiators, the tub, all that stuff. The sinks are probably cast iron. All that stuff adds up to big money. If you find an old house being taken down, a lot of times they won't let you go in because they're going to do it themselves. They want the copper tubing, they want the copper wiring, all that stuff. But if you can find a house like that and somebody will let you have it, do it. If you're recycling your own house, don't throw away all that stuff. Also, you can get money from so many things that break around your house. Your rain gutters. Say your rain gutter breaks in the middle and you have to replace it. Don't give the rain gutter to whoever's taking it away and replacing your rain gutters. Don't have them take it away. Recycle it. Your storm doors, your storm windows, if they're aluminum, you take the glass or the screen out and I break them all up to manageable pieces and you recycle them. Right now, metals are down in my area anyway. They're down. So, and I have a broken arm, so I don't really care that they're down right now because I can't do anything. I'm hoping by the time my cast comes off, the metals have all gone up in price. So right now I'm just kind of piling everything up, and when I get enough and my arm cast comes off, I will take it back when the price comes up. But there's so many things. Say your toaster breaks. Cut the cord off of it, and that's dirty copper wire. You can strip the wire off either with very carefully with a razor, or you can get a wire stripper and sell it as the clean copper wire, or you can do the whole cord, throw the whole cord in there, plug it off for extra weight as dirty copper wire. It's easier. So there's so many things out there. Your refrigerators, all that stuff. Right now, where the money is memory boards. They're between $1 and $2.50. Between $2 and $5.60 for a memory board at a scrapyard. Other boards are going for like $1 each, or a pound rather. I'm sorry. So look at what you're throwing away. Towers, you can scrap those. Keyboards, you can scrap those. Of course, televisions. There's so many things. Anything that has a cord, basically, your printer. And don't forget that when you are scrapping your printer, take the ink cartridges out. Around here, I take them to Staples. They give me $2 store credit for each ink cartridge that I bring in, and I can only do 10 a month. So that gives me $20 store credit a month at Staples to use on anything I want. You can also, there's also other places that will buy them for $1 a piece. You just have to look around for those places. There was a place by me, but it moved away, and it's easier for me to go to Staples than it is for me to drive to the other place. But there's so many things that you can scrap. Their car parts are cast iron. Alloy wheels are actually aluminum wheels with this, they get like this grayish color by however they manufacture them, but it's all aluminum underneath. So many things that you could scrap. If it's electrical, you can scrap it. Cell phones you can scrap and make money off of. You can get gold out of cell phones and out of computers. So make sure when you're scrapping them, you take the gold out and you sell that separately. That's why the memory boards are going for so much, $5.60 a piece, because of the gold. You can't take those apart if you want to scrap those for that price. Everything's scrappable. If you look inside a toy, it's got copper wire in it. If you look inside a broken video game, there's copper and copper wire. There's aluminum. Remember to use your magnet. It helps with scrapping because a magnet will not stick to aluminum. It will stick to steel, but not aluminum. So you want to be careful because a lot of things look like aluminum and they're tricky. They're actually lightweight steel, which you have to sell by the ton, and it takes a lot to make any money. Like I said, there's everything out there. Your cookie sheets, if you burnt your cookies and you're going to throw your cookie sheet away and get new ones, don't throw them away, recycle them. Those are aluminum. Your foil pans that you use for banquets or parties or whatever, for your salads or your ziti or anything like that, wash those out, and they probably weigh half a pound to a pound a piece. Those right now are low. I think they're 85 cents a pound, but when the price goes up, sell them. You get 50 pounds, and you can get those from your church. You can get those from rental halls. You can get those from all kinds of places that have parties, and they don't want them. You might have to wash them, but ask them for them ahead of time so you don't have to dig around the trash. There's so many things that you can scrap. So many things. Patio furniture. It's either probably cast iron or it's aluminum. Your lawn chairs are aluminum. Grandma's old walker was aluminum. Look around. You'll be surprised at the things you see that are aluminum. The siding on houses is aluminum. If you find somebody just had the siding on their house fixed and they have scrap laying around that they want to just get rid of it. Churches have a lot of things that they have broken. Folding chairs, all kinds of stuff like that. Fire departments who have halls that they rent, a lot of times they have a lot of stuff like that, folding tables, folding chairs, and they're aluminum legs. You know, you can make some money off of this stuff, guys. It's very easy. You just have to set out and do it. What I like to do is I make it a 3-day process. So I go out and I spend a day just getting all my stuff together. I'll go out and I'll pick stuff up on the side of the road. I go through anything that I have, of my own. And then the next day I clean it. If I'm going to take the wire, the plastic off the wires, I do that. If I sort it, I take my things apart. I take my little copper motors out of things. I take my motherboards out, all that kind of stuff, and then I separate it all into boxes and get it ready to go. And then the next day I take it all to the scrapyard. So it's actually, I do it in a 3-day process. You can do it however works for you. If you want to just go out and get a few things and then take them apart and take them back and do that every single day, if that works for you and you're close to the scrapyard, I'm not that close to the scrapyard, so it's more sensible for me to get all my stuff together and make sure I have so many pounds of everything. And I like to look at the iScrap app to see what the prices of the metals are to make sure I'm getting my bang for the buck. So if, say, aluminum is 85 cents a pound, I'm not going to take it back. I'm going to wait till it's $1.75 a pound and take it back. You'll get a lot more money. Trust me, it's worth the wait. And in that time that you're waiting for it to go back up, you just keep gathering, keep gathering, keep gathering, keep gathering, and taking your stuff apart, getting it ready, and then as soon as you see on your iScrap app, prices have gone up, the copper's up, batteries are up. I used to get like $5 for a car battery, $5 to $10 for a car battery. Now they're like $2. Last time I took it back, they were really low. So you have to check the iScrap app, or you're gypping yourself. But either that or call your local scrapyard and just say, I'm coming in with a load of copper, a load of aluminum. I want to know what you're paying today. And they'll tell you what they're paying. So anyway, try it, give it a try, see what you can do. Try one thing at a time if you want to, so you don't have everything all over. For me, it's easier to get an abundance of different things. Like I said, I'll take a ride around, I'll see a computer on the side of the road, this on the side of the road, and I'll take those things and I'll scrap them. As my things break, I put them in a pile, and then when my day comes to scrap, because I don't scrap every day, I will cut the cords off, do what I have to do to break those down, and get them ready to go. And like I said, I make mine a 3-day process. Pick up, part, and return. Do it how you want. Figure out how it works for you. If you want to start with just one thing like computers, or figuring out how to do the motherboards or air conditioners or whatever. Right now it's fall where I am, so everybody's taking their air conditioners out and sealing up their windows, and a lot of people are thinking, oh, next year I'll get a new air conditioner. Put it ad in your local paper, shout out to your friends, anybody getting rid of their air conditioner, I'll take them. It's money, guys. Alright, so I hope this helps you. Let me know what you're scrapping and what you're making money on. Good luck to everybody, and remember to be kind. Have a good day.